Hello guys, I literally finished my look now and going to share my thoughts on a few items from JudyDoll. I've been using them for a little while and they are not overly hyper items from JudyDoll, this brand. The most famous items are the face palettes, eyeshadow palettes, which is really good. These items are Blur Skin Stick, colored brown mascara, 2 liquid liner and 1 brow pencil. That's a start from the Blur Stick. Good, which is really good. I'll show you guys the packaging first. It's literally just like a short glue stick. That's the size. And when you open, there is a small cap and then just twist it out. Once you apply it on the skin, you pretty much feel being blurred and mattified out the area and minimizing pores and fine lines quite well. Besides, it also lasts long, easy to be removed, because the worst things with pore fillers and minimize pores products, we don't want it to stay all stuck in the pores, difficult to get cleaned, then cause further skin troubles. This one is very easy to be cleaned out. Another thing I like it is because it has a level of oil control. If you follow my channel or you see my foundation test videos, you will know that my face oil areas are T-zones and surround my nose. But when I use this Blur Stick, this one can really help to reduce at least half of the face oil my skin would normally generate. Quite impressed by it, and it's also so easy to use. You don't need additional tools, just swipe on, massage a bit, job done. Very good. On the other hand, the brow pencil and brow mascara is very so-so. Very so-so. I'm more disappointed with the brow pencil because when I got it, it came to the shape that exactly what I'm looking for. You guys know my current favorite brow pencil is from this brand called An. Anyway, it's this brand and it's a wooden body and you just need to sharp the top. This one is the same and you have a cone at the bottom. Originally when I test the hardness on my skin, back of my hand, I quite like it. I feel, oh, it's not too harsh, it's not too soft, and it's a fairly good level of hardness. Look, but the one I apply on the brow, it seems to just become softer and softer. Although I sharpen the top very much, it still doesn't give me a sharp brow hair on my brow. So it's very weird. When you're really trying to draw the stroke on the brow, it just gets more foggy finish rather than individual stroke. Then I changed to my always go for brow pencil. Can you guys see the obvious difference right away? The brow pencil, I think it's just very normal brow pencil. It, at least on my brow, it doesn't deliver the result of its design. So yeah, same with the brow mascara. From the colors perspective, it is okay. The applicator itself, I don't know what's wrong. I wouldn't say it's a wrong design because a lot of brow mascaras are having tip like this, but somehow this one in particular is just so easy to get on the skin, under your brows. And today, no exception, I got this, on my skin under the brow. Lastly, there is no kind of brow wax per se, like to support your brow staying to the shape. This one just unnecessary. I put that way, unnecessary. However, the liquid liner. Oh my God. This slim liquid liner been in the market for a long time. I never really had kind of, motivation to get it because I have my own preferred liquid liner. And when I see the advert or people raising about this was mainly for drawing the fake lashes for the bottom lashes. And I have no technique Yeah, really no technique of drawing the bottom lashes. I don't know why, I just couldn't get a steady hand of doing that. So always give me the wriggle lines or it's too thick until I tried JudyDoll this one. First of all, let me show you the tip. Can you see how slim it is? You probably not. Let me grab a normal liquid liner. This one is JudyDoll, the bottom one. Can you guys see the difference? This tip is just like a single hair. It's so slim and so easy to draw the hair. With this type of design, what easily could happen is that the liquid, the product inside of the pencil is not as smooth as you would expect it because the tip is so slim. This one, no. Oh my God. You guys see? Oh, focus, come on. Can you guys see how smooth it is? Okay, I've done this way and let's see, let me show you how slim this one can actually draw the line. Can you guys see how slim it is? Let me use another one. I use the same level of pressure. Can you see the difference? Because it's so slim and the liquid is non-stop, it's very smooth, steady given to the tip of the liquid liner. So even you have unstable hands, shaky hands, like today, as you guys can see, my technique of drawing the fake lash is still, you know, very much a beginner. I am actually quite happy with the result because at least it is slim. Once you apply it with mascaras, look at now. Can you guys see? It's natural. It kind of merged with your own lashes and it just looks so natural. Look. And here. Can you imagine if I practice a little bit more and get slightly more mature technique of doing this? I think my eye look technique will raise another level. It's not a normal liquid liner. I was completely wrong. I thought it was just one of those good liners, but nothing really different. Oh no, I apologize to JudyDoll. This is really surprisingly good. Oh, by the way, it's also smudge proof. Hope you like this sweet and short video. So lovely to chat with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel down here. I will see you on my next video.